Transform your patio with TORVA Folding Adirondack Chairs. Looking for the perfect chairs to transform your patio or garden? Meet the TORVA Folding Adirondack Chairs, set of 2, in a striking navy blue. Crafted for homeowners who value style and durability, these chairs combine classic design with modern convenience. These Adirondack chairs are made from high-density polyethylene, HDPE, ensuring they resist UV rays, rain, and wind. Built tough yet elegant, their wood-like finish won't crack or fade, keeping your outdoor space timeless and easy to maintain. Enjoy ultimate comfort with a curved, elongated backrest, wide armrests, and a generously sized seat. Unlike wooden chairs, the smooth surface is kind to your clothes and skin. Whether by the fire pit or on the deck, unwind in style. Need flexibility? These chairs fold easily for effortless storage or mobility. Use them for the beach, BBQs, or your backyard without worrying about space. All tools are included for assembly, completed in just 15 minutes. Homeowners are raving about these chairs, with an average rating of 4.4 stars. Don't miss the chance to blend design and comfort into your outdoor decor. Click the link in the description to learn more and start your backyard makeover today.